Hello guys, welcome to my channel. There are 3 basic steps required for a stunning website. The first is to choose a hosting platform. You need to choose a hosting platform to make search engines like Bing, Yahoo or Google to find your website. There are many sites like HostGator, Bluehost, Wix, Joomla, Drupal, etc. You will also need to select a domain name, that is the name for your website. It could be your own name, which is most people use, or say onlinemarketing.com or your company name.com, etc. etc. The second thing you will be needing is to choose a niche. Start choosing your niche before you begin setting up your website. You will need to find your niche and niche down your niche. It is something you are so passionate about to promote online. If you are in the health and wellness, then you will still niche down to health and wellness for men over 40, or health and wellness for women over 30, etc. A niche is an area of your interest that you will love talking about it to your clients and followers. It can be your hobby like singing, gardening, or beekeeping. The third and the most important one is the so-called SEO. In full stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is a long gameplay, and you gotta know if you want your website to rank on the first page of mighty Google and other search engines. A website that doesn't rank in the search engines will not bring any money, no matter how nice the design of your website. All you need is people to click on your website and bring you enough cash, which is called getting traffic from the SEO perspective. So search engine optimization plays one of the biggest roles for the success of an online marketing business. If you follow me, you will be able to learn the pros and cons of this tactic in a short period of time. And I must also tell you that it will take years of practice otherwise. So find a mentor for yourself before you set up your website. So there is no need to reinvent the wheel for you. I hope you like this tutorial. If you found it helpful, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.